Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your blood oxygen levels measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor on the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurements. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. And now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the blood oxygen level icon, the SpO2 icon. This is the icon, looks like blood with the bubbles in it. Tap on this icon to open the SpO2 widget. And now I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, tap on measure to start the measurement. We have the measure button right here at the bottom. Now let's wait. It may take a couple of seconds. And here we have our results. You can also tap on test again if you want to, and also you have the graph for the whole day. So if you're measuring the blood oxygen levels through whole day, you will have the whole graph right here. Also, if you swipe up right here on this widget, you can see the information about the automatic blood oxygen level measurement. And you can enable it if your watch is paired with a phone. So if the watch is paired with the phone, you can open the Huawei Health application on your phone that is paired with your watch, of course. In the application, you should see the health page. Now tap on the devices icon, select the HUAWEI Watch GT 3 from the list. Here, scroll down, find the health monitoring option, tap on it, and you should see the automatic SpO2. Tap on it, and now we can enable it by tapping on the switch. Remember though, if you enable this option, it will shorten your battery life on the watch, so expect that the battery life will be shorter when you use the automatic SpO2. And now your watch will measure the blood oxygen levels every time you're resting, so basically you're not moving around. You can also set the alert for your blood oxygen levels, so if they're low, you can select them to different thresholds. As you can see, disabled, 75, 80, 85 and 90. Okay, and now we can close the app. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.